Look, there is gift and boutique.
Wow. All right, touch her. Oh, wow. Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh, these ones too. Wow. Let me try.
Interesting. These are so cool. Look at that.
I never seen that plant before.
Which one?
The sensitive touch.
Oh, I've seen it, but we saw the page of the game sometimes. How pretty this is. Wow. This is so pretty.
It looks almost unreal.
Yeah. We get these sometimes at Trader Joe's, these plant, this and this, we get them. And it's way cheaper than this, obviously.
So I bought one of these, but it was an anchor.
Yeah.
And it has all moss and
Moss on it.
cactus in it, but it didn't last for me. And I brought it back and they refilled it for me, and they were like, anytime like, you know, you have an issue with it, just bring it back.
What is this called? String of watermelon.
Elephant food or something.
Yeah, it's a string of watermelon.
These are nice. They're very colorful.
Yeah.
Oh look, you can get organic fruits in here.
Organic. Cool, that is so cool.
Did you hear it? It's like it's making a nice sound.
That's a pretty dark right there.
Look, Louis Vuitton button. Chewy Vuitton.
This was a
Oh,
Charlie,
these are not.
John, and my brother. They went hiking.
I don't want. I like this one. This is better than the other one.
I like the cylinder one.
Yeah, I like
Okay, you can't say I don't like these. There's like each one of them a different shape, but they all turn out to be something. No?
Oh, look, it's a lake. That's cool.
And I like how it started to form like moss on it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the wall mount ones. You mount it on the wall.
Yeah.
Where's your glasses?
Huh?
Oh, where are your glasses so your eyes don't hurt?
Oh, it's okay.
I had my birthday dinner this place. Like not this year, last year, and it was impossible to get in. I literally have to just book 2 months ahead. Do you want Virgin Mary?
Where am I going to put it? I got a lot of sauces that already here. Huh?
Look, there's a tiny one.
Yeah. That's cute.
The
This one's good. That's the same size as the other one.
But I like this. Look, listen to this. This one have more sound.
Because, yeah, it's going in there. What about this? This has it too, but it's not as strong as the other
Yeah,
one.
because this one is tall and hollow.
Oh, there's Jasmine.
I don't want to go over there. It's just basically pots and plants.
Ketchup and mustard?
What is it called? Love me, loves me not. Oh, okay.
The Lincoln. Oh, Lincoln flowers are the best. I like this mustard and ketchup. What is this?
Sarah, look at these. They're a crossover between yellow and pink.
Life after the party. Life over the party. That's me.
Oh, sure.
And his car was at the Vail Airport.
I like this color.
Oh, the orange? This is what I like. Did you see they're all like,
Ooh. How cute that is. That house.
oh, look at the twisted one.
Yeah.
But look, they all got them from the Monrovia nursery. That's what, that's, it says on the can, Monrovia.
Oh.
Yeah, these, like, they all, who carries them? Lowe's carry them. Look at this one.
It's pretty. Love the color purple on it.
Hey, come check this one out. Touch it.
It's like a velvet.
Isn't it cute? Come on, let's go.
This is how that's the bridge.
Look at the big Christmas tree.
Oh wow, it's not Christmas.
I mean, they decorate it like Christmas tree.
Right here, and then we'll walk up that way, if that's okay? Yeah. Is that okay? I think that'll be easier.
This is so gorgeous.
And I think these are real. These are not
I'm
made.
sure they're real.
They are real.
This is real too.
Yeah, all of them are real. Even this.
Yeah. Really. Shit.
These.
The bracelets?
No, these are Apple Watch band. But these are golf clubs that are repurposed to be a bottle opener.
Smell this?
Yeah. Yeah, I did. That's the first thing we tried whenever we got here. Hey, smell the cologne. It kind of changed.
Yeah, it did change. It smells better now. It smells
Right?
light. Very light though. Is Corona Del Mar next to you?
We're in Corona Del Mar right now.
No. It's Corona Del Mar.
Herbs.
Maybe.
I love this. That's cute.
similar to this at home.
Look at this.